Hey, welcome to my channel, and I'm happy that you have tuned in. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get all alerts of the new videos that will help you. Boom! Let's get started, guys. In this video, I'm going to walk with you through how you can get massive traffic, guys, to your affiliate link, to your blog, to your online business through these two platforms, YouTube and Wikipedia. So stay with me, guys, and listen attentively, because this is gonna help you, and this has helped a lot of people out there. Now, a lot of people out there have the zeal to learn a successful online business, a blog, an affiliate program. At the end of it all, they stop. They get frustrated. In fact, 80% of the people stop. Now, what is the problem? The problem is not you, but the problem is because you lack the kind of quality information to get you started. You need to have that strength in you to say, I'll do it. Yes, you have to have that courage in you to say, I can make it. And yes, I believe in you. Now, these guys, be successful in online business, whether you're learning or promoting your affiliate links or anything, you need to have a lot of information. Because out there are a lot of unproductive, a lot of scam, guys, but this is 100% real, 100% legitimate. If you have been having challenge in getting traffic, then this video is for you. It's about the product called Mytraffic Jacker Pro. Now listen, guys, if you can only try what I'm talking about, you will come out with an amazing testimony. And what will make you different from others is when you take that step. Just take that step, and I assure you, you'll be different from others. Mytraffic Jacker is a 100% web app that will allow you to legally steal traffic and authority from these two platforms, Wikipedia and YouTube, these two platforms. So stay with me, guys, as I walk you through this wonderful journey of this app product called Mytraffic Jacker. How does it work? An interesting question for you. Once you buy it, the Traffic Jacker Pro, it allows you to search on keywords on either Wikipedia or YouTube and find live but expired links. These links are still on the site, I mean YouTube and Wikipedia, and have thousands of massive visits, traffic, thousands of them. So, what should you do? After you search the keyword, you pick up one of the link and pay $10 for it, only $10. Once paid, it means that every person who clicks on that expired link will be redirected to your link. There are some expired links that have thousands of visitors, meaning you will be having thousands of visitors to your link, whether a blog or an affiliate program, etc. Once you buy this product. 4 simple steps in using Mytraffic Jacker product. Step 1. Input your target keyword. The powerful keyword engine will allow you to turn one keyword into dozens of keywords. You know what? This means you will never run out of words. Step 2. Choose whether you want to hijack from YouTube or Wikipedia. Then step 3. Just hit the start button. In this step, Mytraffic Jacker will start scanning either YouTube or Wikipedia and find available domains. Once found, you can immediately register for as little as $10. Step 4. Once you pick up the domain which Mytraffic jacker has found, register it, and when anyone clicks on the expired link, it will be redirected to your link. Now, I'm gonna walk you through the benefits of using Mytraffic jacker. One of the interesting things is you don't need to make a video for your product or link. No need to create your website, guys. No need to pay money for traffic. To get Mytraffic jacker product, click the link below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time, and please don't forget to subscribe.